This is the safest way beginners use options to get paid every week. It's called the wheel strategy. Think of the stock market as a used car lot. You don't chase random cars. You name your price and get paid to wait. Step 1, sell a put. That's like telling the dealer, I'll buy the stock, but only if it drops to this price. And you get paid cash upfront just for making the offer. Now, any outcome is good. If the stock never drops, you keep the money. If the stock does drop, you still keep the money and you buy the shares at a discount. Now you own the stock, so you rent it out by selling a covered call. You're saying if anyone wants to buy your shares at a higher price, pay me first. When the stock sells, you turn right back around and sell another put. Same stock, same rules, that's why it's called the wheel. Now here's a beginner rule. Only use stocks that you really want to own. No gambling, no chasing. Comment wheel if you want a beginner example using a real stock. And subscribe for more weekly options income explained simply. Thanks for watching.